In this test, we're going to evaluate a medium voltage 2500 horsepower electric motor. So we're going to use the auto mode, short the leads together. Then we're going to connect to the first winding. Okay. First test. Move the coil. Okay. Move ourselves to the next lead. Okay, there's our test results. Press OK. We're not going to do an insulation to ground test. Here's our readings. Particular 86 straight across in phase angle, 88, 88, 89 in impedance, 17 millihenries of inductance, and minus 47 straight across. That's minus 47 straight across, 86 straight across.
Are you a half-empty kind of guy? Or
in this test, we're going to look at 2 green coils and 1 VPI coil, all identical from the same job. The 2 green coils on the right and the 1 VPI coil on the left. Larry, are you going to fill in the numbers for me here? We'll do it in manual mode, and we're going to do impedance only to show the difference in impedance with and without the varnish. That is an epoxy varnish on the end and a single coil. So we test by connecting and then pressing the impedance button. There we go, 1.13 ohms of impedance at 800 hertz. Come to our next one. We have 1.13 ohms of impedance at 800 hertz. Now, if the capacitance does not exist in the circuit, the enamels are all the same, the wire is all the same, but now we have varnish in here, I should get the same reading. So let's see what we get. We end up with 1.11 ohms of impedance at 800 hertz. So there is a slight difference in just one coil alone.